So you've heard the term about visualization, and that can boost your academic performance, but it's not just about seeing yourself doing well in UCAT. That is actually visualization done incorrectly. In fact, effective visualization immerses yourself in using all the senses. That makes the experience feel real and your brain will accept it more likely as fact. Visualization is a form of mental rehearsal. You vividly imagine an experience, and your brain activates some of the same neural pathways that you are using as if you are doing the real thing. And when you repeat this process, it makes that experience become more familiar. Your brain starts to accept this as fact, and that helps your revision to stay focused, and you start to execute a winning strategy under pressure. Top coaches, athletes, successful people use visualization all the time, and I tell my students it's no different. You can use it as part of an effective exam strategy. The more sensory detail you include, the more realistic and useful the rehearsal becomes. Here is how to visualize yourself having a successful UCAT score using all your senses. Close your eyes and picture the testing room. And in fact, for some of my students, I've actually encouraged them to visit the test center before. Visualize the computer screen, the countdown timer, and each question appearing in front of you. See yourself reading accurately. You're eliminating incorrect answers and making decisions calmly. Then we're going to add sound to your visualization. Imagine the mouse clicking. You can hear other people in the room. You can hear the keyboard tapping. Visualize yourself hearing your internal voice, saying read, decide, move on. Let's bring in touch into this. Feel your hands resting on the desk. Your fingers are controlling the keyboard and your feet grounded firmly on the floor. Notice your shoulders relax as you take controlled breaths. You're using the body's natural physiological response to overcome any stress that's going to cloud your judgment. You might want to incorporate an imagined smell, the familiar scent of the desk, or any kind of aromas you associate with studying. Remember, specific sensory details help your brain construct a more vivid and real mental simulation. Let's try and bring taste into this. Imagine the taste of your morning drink, your tea, your coffee, your maca, whatever you young people like. Or perhaps you're taking a mint just before you get into your exam. And we're using that same safe, familiar routine that you've built up during practice, so it becomes associated with focus and readiness. Now, there's going to be a difficult question in your exam, but you're not going to panic because you know that it's coming. Feel the pressure rising internally, but you notice it. You take a controlled breath, you make a strategic decision, and you move on without procrastinating about the answer. So I don't want you to just visualize performing well. I want you to visualize recovering quickly when something goes wrong. Remember, visualization is just an added tool. It does not replace timed practice. It's preparing your brain to reproduce your training when you're in the real thing. Follow me for more science-backed UCAT strategies. I'm Dr. Ahmed, NHS GP, mindfulness coach and ex-medical school interviewer.